sometimes we end up having the wrong document or people signing on the wrong designated areas. So I think this one, for the author and the administrator, there's a lot more control where, we only let the recipient do what they are supposed to do and not mess around with the document. So I'm Nana, and I work with the Land Plus Group as the head of client services. We actually started off as a real estate agency, and we have a large team of agents who are handling mostly residential rental for multinational companies and also relocation companies. There will be a lot of emails, and also I think sometimes, like I mentioned, when we rely on maybe intermediary to get certain documents signed or completed, there's also a lot of time wasted to reminding clients or intermediaries on the timeline. And and then, when the intermediary is a bit slow in responding, then the whole process is affected. It takes a lot of load off our mind to always constantly remind someone. So the system does it for us and also will prompt us when the client responds. So I think, it really, really helps with keeping up with the timeline. It was quite exciting because I think before this, we probably hearsay of some of the products that we can subscribe online, but have not really been, gotten a full introduction of what this can do for us. So so when we first got the idea, I think it's very refreshing because primarily for the real estate industry, I don't think there is such product that we have come across. I think it's great that, with Redoc, the team is very dedicated. So we, every time when we have some troubleshooting or places where because sometimes we have to share this document with others who are not familiar with it, there's always guidance provided. I think this is inevitable. In fact, we know that we probably could have done everything earlier, but sometimes there's also a lot of frustration, exploring and bumming around the wrong products or starting all over again each time we embark a new product. But then, in our line of work, and also because of the clientele that we are serving, everyone is into innovation, into digitalization. So I think it's something that we are not able to live with anymore, and we are looking forward to keep enhancing it so that I think, to make our processes much more fluid, and also more cost effective, time saving. I think all these are important factors. So it's something definitely I think we have to keep going forward and keep getting better.